Yeah, she's a senior.
Georgia sandals.
Yeah, tell them why you're wearing Georgia sandals.
A lot of times wore mine.
They're in the bag. She couldn't walk in them.
No. Oh.